Hi everyone, welcome to this session of IXL call. In this video, we're going to look at recruitment. We are on the series of recruitment, and the recruitment, we're going to look at recruitment channels. So on your menu from the dashboard, you'll find the recruitment module. On the recruitment module, we have the recruitment channels. Recruitment channels are what you use to create avenue for applicants to make the applications. To make a recruitment channel, we create a new recruitment channel. Creating a new recruitment channel, it will be information about a form or form that we can embed in our website, in our campaigns, in our Facebook pages, in our Instagram page, and use that for recruitment. So we are recruiting for a sales manager. Only good that we name this form same. It will be a form. English submit. We can say thank you. Thank you for your application. You can have the status of that as application. The responsible person can be picked out from there and say probably that it will notify when a new candidate is there. And you can make the settings either to a specific member, when you're a candidate, to a specific member, staff member with the roles or responsible person. So you pick the responsible person here, or it could be a group of members, and then with that we can create save. Once we create save, we can proceed to a form builder. So when you're in the manager, you can edit, you can duplicate, and with that we can edit. You can see the form builder. We can proceed to the form builder. This will create for us an opportunity, or this gives us the opportunity to create a form or a form for application. So IXL Core just allows us to drag and drop in creating a form. So the header, you can say an application form. You edit from here and you say application form. Then you close that. Now we can say we want to have your first name, want to have your last name. We can have a code or birthday or gender. We can have desired salary. We can have as many information that we want. We can have an identification, there's an ID or anything else. Remember, these fields can be edited from here. You can say identification, and then you can say ID, or you can put an ID and then you close that. You can put place of status, you can put nationality, the region, whatever questions you want to have on your form. You can be able to do that. You can introduce yourselves, you can have all the channels of communication, what they did in the new company, what is the contact person, the salary. So anything that you have, you can be able to build from these form. Then you can say we want to see what is their interests and skills or whatever they required. Those are placed there, and let's say introduce themselves. Now if you want to make a column compulsory, remember you can use that by saying required, and that's how make it compulsory. That will be a compulsory field. If you don't want to make it compulsory, you're able to do that. Remember, by clicking X you can remove, and so on and so forth. Then once you say you are done, once you finish, you save. When you save, the system will create a form. A form will be created, and this is the form code and the form link for you to embed on your site. and you can see a form that we just created that can be embedded anywhere that the candidate can apply for the job. This form has a link, or we can have a form. Sorry, we can have the link, or we can have an HTML code which can be embedded on the website to create a form. And that's how we create a channel, a recruitment channel, and we can have so many recruitment channels. We can create a new one, or we can still reuse the same channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.